The smart IGES Translator in ASAP will remember the optical properties and object names of your CAD files. On import, you can assign optical properties and object names to your components, and if you then need to go back to your CAD program and modify or tweak the basic object shape, information about the names and the object properties will be remembered. So let's take a look at how this would work. And I'm going to open a file, and in this particular case I'm going to open up a faceted parabola. We'll accept most of the defaults and just click on OK. Within my CAD file, I named this object faceted surface, and when ASAP imported that IGES file, it remembered that information. And what I want to do is modify the properties to apply properties universally across this object. So since my faceted parabola is usually used in illumination applications, I'm going to make it a reflector with an air and air interface. I could also turn on Fresnel averaging, ray splitting, etc. But for now, we're just going to set the basic properties. And I can click on OK. One other thing I might want to do is I might want to choose to set all of my facets to the same color, or I might choose to use the facets in different colors to make them easier to isolate facets of interest while I'm doing my analysis. So in this particular case, we'll set a color only so you can see what happens, but in reality, you need to think about whether or not you want your object to all be of one color if you're going to iterate back and forth with your CAD environment. So just click on OK and Finish. And now I have my reflector. Run the file and then take a look at it. So here's my faceted parabola with the hole in the middle so I can insert my light bulb. Now let's say I went back to my CAD program and needed to make some adjustments to this file. But I'm just going to reopen the file as an IGES file. I've closed the currently existing one and click on OK. And remember, I'm still using my IGES file, not my INR file. But because ASAP recognizes the names, all of the information about the assigned properties is still available. So every time I iterate with my CAD program, I don't have to go back and redefine the properties or the names. ASAP will remember them for me.